In today's video, I want to guide you on how to upgrade to Windows 11 26H2. The process is very simple. First, you need to download the installer. In my previous video, I've guided you on how to do that, and I will drop the link to that video at the end of this video. So do watch this video to the end so that you'll be able to grab the downloading process. The next thing you have to do before you start upgrading is to be sure that your system meets some requirements. Your system must be 64-bit, and how to get that is very simple. Come to this window here, right click, then click on property. So come to this place under system type, you see 64-bit operating system. So this tells you that your system can do that, and my version is 22H2. So I want to guide you on how to upgrade to 26H2. The process is very simple. Now that I've downloaded the installer on my device, right click on it, then click on mount button here. Now click on run button. So click on setup, double click on the setup, click on yes. It comes out like this. Click on next button here. Wait for it to check for updates. So since we are getting something ready, so checking your PC, just wait a bit for it to load up. Now you use this software in subject to terms and conditions, then click on accept button here. Please wait for it to load again. So click on this button, enable. Now come to this place, then restart your system. Now restart the process again by right clicking on this, click on mount, click on open, double click on this button, click on yes. Now click on this button that says continue where we left, click on next. Now you can see that you won't be able to use PC during installation. So install Windows 11 Pro, key personal file and apps. So click on install button. So you have to wait. This might take a time depending on your system and depending on the network. So you consider the time is counting here. So let's wait for this process to keep updating for us. In the course of this installation process, your system will restart several times. Just make sure that you wait and you connect your system to light. Or if you are using your laptop, make sure that you have enough backup battery on your laptop device while installing this window on your device. So the installation is in progress. Your PC will restart in a few moments. So get things ready for you once you provide your login details. Now this might take a few moments. Just wait a little while for your system to keep uploading and setting up the processes completely. This might take a few minutes. Don't turn off your PC. So we can see that we've been able to install or upgrade our Windows device to Windows 11 26H2. So we are getting ready now. Let's wait and see. Boom. So now our window is now live. You can see that we have as Window Insider evaluation copy. So let's right click on this button and see property. Here we have it. The version is Windows 11 Pro Insider Review 26H2. Then guys, we are good to go. Everything is intact, all our apps, everything is now ready. So that's all guys on how to upgrade your Windows to Windows 11 26H2 without losing your data. So if you enjoy what I've explained in this video and don't subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.